Looks and feels expensive like an expensive Apple Watch, but way cheaper. Like to know more about this smartwatch? Stay tuned. What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on lintelek smartwatch, which is full touch screen sports watch with a GPS fitness tracker, waterproof, IP68 rated, suitable for men and women and compatible to work with Android as well as for the iOS users. Now if you are new to my channel, you are most welcome. To start with, here on my channel I tend to review products at whatever I get my hands onto, and within my video you're going to see more detail. First we're going to see the features of this smartwatch, following with the unboxing. After that we're going to install the app which is required to configure this smartwatch with your smart mobile phone, following with the demonstration of every single bit of it. And I'm sure by the end of the video you will have an idea that is this smartwatch for you or not. So if that is something you are looking for, well, subscribe button is not that far from your screen. Now usually all the features which you expect from a product are mentioned on the packaging itself, but in here it's just a smartwatch. I don't see much, only the barcode, but no need to worry. I have placed a link in the video description which will help you with respect to that matter. Now starting with the specification, this smartwatch got all the features you normally expect, starting with the fitness tracking system, 24-hour health care system, as well as you can control your music from the smartwatch on your mobile phone, a heart rate monitor, long battery life, a 2-hour charge could last you up to 8 days, and if it goes on standby, up till 25 days. You can also get all intelligent notification on your smartwatch using the app provided within the smartwatch. Come with the stopwatch feature as well as IP68 waterproof. Now within the app you also have a feature of monitoring your sleep as well, and there are so many features available too. Now let's quickly have a look what is included in the package. So here we have everything which is included in the package, starting with the one multi-language supporting user manual explaining to you how to use the smartwatch and what application you need and how you configure it. One manufacturer leaflet, one micro USB charging cable with magnetic connector. Now in last but not least, smartwatch, which look very expensive and premium from the looks, but very competitive in price. Now the smartwatch strap are made from the rubber and they are interchangeable, which can easily be done by removing this link from here. Now on the back of smartwatch we have a heart rate monitor, and right on the top of it a link for the charging where you're going to place your magnetic charger, which is very easy and straightforward. Come near to it, it automatically grab hold of the connection. Where in the front of the smartwatch we have a 1.3-inch LCD display which is fully touch and come with a one multifunctional button. Now just before powering up our smartwatch, let's install the application which we need on our mobile phone. Now application is available for Android as well as for iOS user. In this video we will be using the Android mobile phone, so I'm going to open up Google Play Store and search for the application for VeryFitPro. When you search it, install this application. At successful completion of installation, open it up right from there and go through the application. Click onto the use now, and you have to make sure that Bluetooth is also turned on your mobile phone too. Now let's power up our smartwatch, but press and hold this multifunctional button for some time. Now once your smartwatch is successfully powered up, open up your mobile and app, and within the search result of devices you're going to see your smartwatch. Click on it. Now once your smartwatch is selected, click on to confirm and bind device. You're going to hear the notification on your smartwatch. Now you need to create your profile in VeryFitPro application. This VeryFitPro application is very user friendly and straightforward as far as I think. On home screen you're going to see what you have achieved today when it's linked with your smartwatch. Within the activities you can monitor calories and how many miles you run an activity. You can also monitor your sleep pattern as well as your heart rate once the smartwatch is on your wrist. In the next tab, you have got the details. Again, it's the same thing, it's weekly basis. Then you have an option for the device. Now this device area in VeryFitPro application is more or less like a control between your smartphone and your smartwatch. Now in here, whatever you select will be working with your smartwatch, starting with the call alert. Now if you go in there and select the call alert, whenever you get a mobile phone call on your mobile phone, you will get a notification on your smartwatch. Now this smartwatch does not come with any microphone or a speaker, so you're going to only get the notification. Now the next option you have is a sedentary alert, which is like when you're sitting down for a little longer, obviously mobile phone will get the notification, so as the smartwatch, stuff like that. You can also set the number of alarms as well. You can enable them and you get the alarms on your smartwatch, not on your mobile phone. Next one is the notification, which is very important one. When you go in there, you can select the VeryFitPro to work and allow the notifications of it. So that means it's enabled now, and you can allow the notification, and here is a list of what notification you would like to see on your smartwatch. Let's suppose I would like to see the Facebook alerts on my smartwatch, WeChat, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Instagram, Messenger, Viber, any email or a calendar notification, technically everything I wanted. Simple as that. So whenever any alert comes on my mobile phone, I will get a notification on my smartwatch. When you go return it, it automatically saves it. Next option is the music control. I can control the music which is running on my mobile phone using the smartwatch. I will show you that as well. You can enable it to start with by going in here and turning it on and select what music player you're going to use. I'll be using the Amazon Music, or if you got other subscriptions like YouTube Music, Google Music, MX Player, or your any other device services. After that, we got a heart rate detection sensor, which is set to automatic, and you also have the manual option available too. Now within the devices, you also have a tab for the more option. In here, you're going to see the activity display, device language. You can change the language of your smartwatch. Find your phone option, which is available on your smartwatch, but you have to enable it using the app, and heart rate zone, where you can define that if heart rate goes up and down in certain limit, it would warn. Then you are do not disturb mode. You can also reboot your smartwatch from your mobile phone on a click of a button. Now after devices, the next tab we have is for the user, where you're going to create your own profile on VeryFit Plus app to help you, which will help you to manage your profile of health right in here. Keep track of your all information without any worries, and you can also link it to third-party application like a Google Fit and other ones. Let's have a quick look within the menu of your smartwatch, where on the home screen you're going to see the battery status, time and everything. You can also change the display as well if you want to. Now if you scroll from top to bottom, you're going to see all the notification which came from your mobile phone right on your smartwatch. And if you scroll from bottom to top, you're going to see information about how many steps you have taken with respect to the target. Next is how many miles you have run. Third one is the how many calories you have burnt. Then if you scroll left to right, you're going to see options, where is a heart rate sensor activation, wrist working as well. When you move the wrist and you can enable this. Finding your mobile phone option. By press of a one button, you're going to see the notification on your mobile phone. Now to access further more settings of your smartwatch, you swipe your finger from right to left, where you're going to see the option for sports mode, heart rate sensor, relax option, alarms, and then music, timer, and settings. Now within the settings, you get the option for the dial, where you can change what dial you would like to have on your display. The one which we selected by default is the one which you see now. You can have a selection of this different one, or you can go for this one, or you can go for this one if you want to, which is only the simple timer straight away. This one looks fantastic and is straightforward. Now within the settings you also have an option for the dimming, which is to do with the intensity. Second one is about, which is to do with your smartwatch. Next one is to shut down if you would like to power off your smartwatch completely. Now let's do a very quick functionality test where when I lift my wrist, I would like to see the display turned on and how quickly it comes on. That's not bad actually, it just worked straight away. Perfect. Let's do it multiple times. Wow, that's very responsive. Now let's do a test on heart rate sensor. Well, 80 BPMs, not bad at all. Seems to be working fine. I'm resting and making a video which making me a bit nervous to create a pulse, increase the pulse actually, being honest with you. But that's not bad actually, that's very normal. You can have a sports mode if you'd like to turn it on, where whatever you're going to do, you can activate it while if you're walking. 1, 2, 3, you just run, it will be recording your walk actually. Boom, 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 boom. But within this mode of operation, it will be recording your heart rate and how you are performing. If you would like to get out of this sports mode, but press and hold on return button and click yes, I would like to. And you are back to the normal. Now all the WhatsApp notifications are working perfectly fine. So far I have got them actually, so they are performing way better than my expectation. You can only view the notification, you cannot respond back to them at all. So that is the thing you should know about. Now the application which is helping you to connect your smartphone with the smartwatch is a VeryFitPro, which will be running all the time, as you can see right in here. Now in case you are having any problem with it, it's not working properly, you have to go into the notification and make sure the proper notifications are selected like I have got on my screen. You can select more if you want to as well, that's not a problem. But if you'd like to shut down this application, which can be possible by doing this force stop as well, works great without any problem. Now here we are on the end of this video, where what I think about this smartwatch. It is working great, to be honest with you guys, and is performing way better than my expectation. Whenever I lift my wrist, display turns on, and that is what you want. Now from the looks point of view, smartwatch looks fantastic and rich, to be honest with you. Once this is on your wrist, it will look like you're wearing Apple Watch. I've been asked by so many people that what watch I am wearing. Most of the people thought that I'm wearing Apple Watch, unless they closely look into it. If you'd like to purchase this watch, link is available in the video description for you to have a look into. Furthermore to it guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another video. Bye for now.